So the first thing that I would do is make sure you have 1 through 15 for the bags. And also I would use the manual here to make sure you have all the parts which are in the foam trays. The first step is going to use part number 2. Part number 1, a screw and a washer from bag 5 and the screwdriver from 10. So the easiest way to do this is to take the screw and the washer, take this, line up, and then what I do is flip this over. Screw it nice and tight. Screw it tight enough so this doesn't have any movement and it's still able to spin. Okay, so the motors are in front here. This is literally going to sit right on top of here. And we're going to use number 12 bag screws. So this is a tight fit. I'll get that hole lined up. We'll put the screw. Now the rear one obviously is going to have to come up a little bit to get that hole lined up. So what you want to do then is go around and make sure all of these are properly inserted. Move the tracks out of the way so you don't pound up your knuckles. And protect the tracks from being wrecked from your knuckles. And there it is.